To use a servo, again, we want to make sure our code has included the Hummingbird libraries. We need to initialize a Hummingbird object. I've again called mine Tweety. And in the setup method, we need to use tweety.init to initialize the Hummingbird object and allow it access to everything that's in the libraries. So a servo can move back and forth and takes as input first the port number and then the degree to which you want the servo rotated. Make sure when you're using servos, when you want the code to run, you're going to need to plug the board into an outlet. So you need the cord to plug it in to power outside of the computer. You can't just use the USB. You'll also need the USB to obviously load the code, but you don't need to keep the USB plugged in to run the code after that. When you plug your servo into one of the servo ports at the end of the board, make sure that the yellow cord is the one aligned with the S. The red cord is in the middle, obviously, and then the black cord will be the cord lined up with the negative sign. Then your code would be Tweety, your object name, set servo, and then the port number. So if you look down to see where it's plugged in, mine's in 1, and then the degree to which you want it to rotate between 0 and 180. So I'm saying set it to 0 degrees. Then I'm going to wait just 10 milliseconds, and then I'm going to have it rotate to 180 degrees, a half turn, and then I'm going to delay it again. So there's a pause, a really brief pause again before it returns the servo to its starting degree of 0 degrees. And this will happen continuously as long as it is plugged in.